Natural light has a powerful influence on how a home looks and feels. Bright interiors feel more open, comfortable, and welcoming, while darker spaces can seem smaller and less inviting. For homeowners in Washington looking to maximize daylight without compromising functionality, sliding windows offer a smart and effective solution. Their design supports natural light optimization while fitting seamlessly into a wide range of home styles. Why natural light optimization matters? Natural light does more than illuminate a room. It shapes the overall living experience. Well-lit spaces feel more spacious, improve visibility, and create a more uplifting atmosphere. In Washington residences, optimizing natural light can transform everyday spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens into areas that feel more enjoyable and easier to use throughout the day. How sliding windows are designed to capture light. Sliding windows operate horizontally along a track, typically featuring wide glass panels with minimal framing. This design allows for a larger glass surface compared to many other window styles. For Washington homeowners, this means more daylight can enter the home without visual clutter. The simple, streamlined structure of sliding windows helps maximize light while maintaining a clean appearance. Brightening rooms with limited wall space. Some rooms have limited vertical wall space or layouts that don't accommodate taller window styles. Sliding windows are ideal in these situations. In Washington homes, sliding windows fit well into wider, shorter wall openings, allowing homeowners to introduce more natural light where traditional window designs may not work as effectively. Distributing daylight evenly across living spaces. One challenge with natural light is uneven distribution. Some windows create bright spots while leaving other areas in shadow. Sliding windows help spread daylight more evenly across a room due to their wide horizontal orientation. In Washington residences, this creates a balanced, comfortable brightness that feels natural rather than harsh. Enhancing comfort near window areas. Windows should invite people to enjoy the space around them. Poorly designed windows can create glare or discomfort near seating areas. Sliding windows allow light to enter without overpowering the room. Washington homeowners often find that areas near sliding windows feel more comfortable and usable throughout the day. Supporting flexible interior design. More natural light gives homeowners greater freedom in how they design their interiors. Bright rooms can accommodate a wider range of furniture styles and layouts. In Washington homes, sliding windows create a neutral, light-filled backdrop that makes it easier to arrange furniture without blocking light or disrupting the flow of the space. Creating a visual connection to the outdoors. Natural light is often enhanced by outdoor views. Sliding windows frame views cleanly, helping bring the outside in. For Washington residents, this visual connection adds depth to interior spaces. Even modest outdoor scenery can make rooms feel larger and more open when paired with abundant daylight. Reducing dependence on artificial lighting. Optimizing natural light reduces the need for artificial lighting during daytime hours. This contributes to a more comfortable and pleasant indoor environment. Washington homeowners often notice that rooms with sliding windows remain bright longer, making daily activities easier and more enjoyable without constantly turning on lights. Supporting everyday comfort without complexity. Sliding windows are easy to operate and don't require clearance space to open. This simplicity encourages regular use. In Washington residences, homeowners are more likely to adjust sliding windows to fine-tune light and airflow, supporting a more comfortable living environment throughout the day. A practical choice for light-filled living. Natural light optimization doesn't require dramatic structural changes. Sometimes, the right window design makes all the difference. For homeowners in Washington, sliding windows offer an effective way to optimize natural light. By maximizing glass area, distributing daylight evenly, and enhancing visual openness, sliding windows help create brighter, more inviting living spaces that feel comfortable and enjoyable every day.